Welcome to Chemistry Tutorial 360. Today I'm going to share with you best website to learn chemistry free and or if you search like this reliable chemistry website or organic chemistry website or best site for chemistry question and answer, then I will highly recommend you to visit this website or blog just once. I think you will like the content of this blog or website. So uh, you can type this address in that Google, or I will have link of this blog or website in the description box of this video. So uh, you can visit this website. In this website you will get a search bar. Just search something that you need. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.